It's Taco Tuesday, folks. We are going to Las Muelles. Follow us. We're going to see friends, cars. It's going to be a good time, so let's go. Good weather. Tacos. Mexican food.
Are you ordering the usual?
You know, I don't know. I might do...
You're going to switch it up?
Well, usually I do the dinner specials, so I'll do like tamales or tacos, burrito, maybe an enchilada.
He literally orders the whole menu.
Well, there's like 3 different numbers. I think there's like an 11, a 13, and maybe a 14 or something like that. But hey, you know what?
We'll see what happens.
We might change it up today.
Once the chips and salsa start flowing, you never know what's gonna happen.
You never know what's gonna happen here on Taco Tuesday. It gets pretty wild over here.
Let's go.
See ya.
Sunset. Las Muelles.
So right next to this Toyota.
Oh, David's here.
Dave Evans.
The Harlequin. If you ain't first, you last.
I thought it started at 6.
It did. Early bird special. Look.
Look at the light bulb.
Turn around.
Rocket launch.
I don't see it.
Right there. Look at
There's
the street
4
lights.
street lights.
See the 4
It's
street
in
lights?
between the second one.
Now I see it. The red flare.
Wow, rocket launch.
Rocket launch.
And what is
Rocket
it that
Man.
it's doing? Where's it going?
We're making history here.
Probably dropping off satellites.
Okay. Into space.
I don't know. I
What's
could
it
be
going
lying.
behind? It's
How do we watch?
Red rocket.
Good to see you. Take care.
Bye.
Oh, no light special. Oh, no light special.
Bye. Ooh. Are his lights on? Jeff, lights. You can't see it.
You can barely see them.
Like why the
Man,
turnout
I never
is
get to see nothing exciting.
nothing exciting. Turbo
Man. Yeah.
radiator cap, huh?
There's a radiator cap there and the gas cap's in the back.
Is that where the engine is?
That's where the engine is. It's right
Oh,
there.
nice. In that little box.
The little box. The engine.
Nice.
And then there's a radio that's not hooked up to anything. If you look, there's
The radiator back there too?
There's just some wires. They don't even go to anything. That's what my radio is right there. There's some
Nice.
wires.
Custom.
Custom.
Perfect.
I got two.
I keep them all.
I had to get
I don't even know why I did that. I literally have a Carmen Ghia folder. Let's see here.
You gonna party?
I'm knocking on 17,000 photos.
They're coming for you. Taco Tuesday is over.
That's a wrap, folks. Good food. We got a good turnout tonight.
It was fun.
Weather was good, and we
We
didn't
got to see a rocket launch.
Yep, and we didn't get bit this time. We always
No
get bit by
bumps.
no-see-ums. Oops. Oh, I got a scratch too.
Yeah, a lot of people were bottoming out
Yeah.
there. Well, we have cars and coffee on Sunday. Otherwise, I don't think we're gonna have another video out this week. So enjoy this one, and we'll see you next time.
Guys, have a great week. Drive those cars. Get those Volkswagens out there. Try to get some events going. We will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Peace.
Thing's a beast.
Yeah. Well, my wipers have been acting a little funny, and my temperature gauge here isn't working, and the horn sounds a little funky, so I'm
See what
wondering-
happens when you wash the car?
Yeah, so I think what happened was maybe the water and the electrical connections got all infused and entwined. I'm just kidding. But what I think happened is that might have happened, and maybe it's kind of messing some stuff up. So I'm gonna have to go over.
What had happened was.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go over some of that, make sure everything's good. But hey, as long as it runs, most important. Oh, look at that! It's Rudolph. Well, it's got a black nose.
It's just a reindeer.
So yeah.
All right.
Look at this. Isn't this festive? Look at that. Look at that. It's like a disco up in here.